Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxings. I do makeup tutorials and I also do product reviews along the way. So today I am so excited for my unboxing. This today, as you guys read from my title, is the first ever The Men's The Box unboxing. So I'm so excited because I feel like it's kind of like one of the first of its kind where it's a subscription box catered to men. And I've seen other subscription boxes for men, but they're nowhere near as good for the price you're paying. And I don't know, I've seen them, I showed it to my husband and he did not like the other brands that were, or the other companies which were offering subscriptions for men. And so I never jumped on it, nor did I sign up again, because my husband didn't even like the products. I believe Birchbox has a men's subscription box as well, and when I told my husband the sizes, he's like, what's the point? I'm gonna use it maybe one time and it's not gonna work out for me, because if I like the product I still have to go buy full size, so don't waste our money. But anyways, so the box, the men's box by Fashionsta, announced earlier this November that they were finally releasing this box. It's been in the works for a few months now and it's finally in our hands. Now, I do want to be transparent with you guys and let you know that my husband, it was only fair to let my husband open the box first. It is his box and I'm getting the opportunity to open it to you guys. My husband opened the box and he is extremely impressed, so much so that he actually thanked me for subscribing him to the box. But how about we just get onto it and I show you guys what I got. But before I go any further, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment below what you guys end up liking from this box. Let's go. So the box itself is exactly the same as the original box. I don't think at this time they've actually changed it out. Here's our little price card, which actually tells us a little bit about some of the products that they're in. They're telling us a little bit of the products which are inside the box, and on the back, the breakdown of all the items along with their value. So my husband's box is at $151 retail value. Amazing. So they always send, Fashionsta always sends their boxes with such beautiful packaging and presentation. You guys got to give it up to them for that, because most brands nowadays don't do that. And it has this little stuff which I just throw to the side, but I do save it sometimes for gifts or whatever. So the first item which my husband off the bat loved from the box was this Tokyo Milk Bulletproof Hand Cream. It retails for $22. It says a smoky combination of sultry teas and warm coconut, smoldering and seductive. This fragrance enrobes the wearer in the rich forest scents and ebony wood and exotic spices. Ooh. But look at this packaging, it's very nice. I like this texture, and it comes like this. Oh, I like these aluminum casings. Now again, it's my husband's, it's not mine, so I'm not gonna take it. Oh shit. So this is completely sealed, so I cannot open it, but I will definitely keep you guys posted once my husband uses it, and I'll let you know how he likes it and let you know how the scent is. The next item, which he was very excited for, is this Defender razor. It is $5 retail. It is very flexible because my husband was touching it when we were out, when he was looking at it, and it has a very nice kind of like grippy handle, and my husband liked how it has this little suction thing, which I think that's cool. My husband hopes we can find replacements because he really likes this handle. We currently subscribe to Dollar Shave Club, and he's like, this looks so much better in his opinion that he will switch in a heartbeat. This is something else that he was excited to get. Fig and Haro. Look at that. It's a Rosehip Argan Facial Serum. It's a $40 retail. For those wishing to balance oil production, plump, tighten, toned, and even skin tone pigmentation, this serum has powerful combination of plant derivative oils for dense dose of I cannot pronounce that word right now, antioxidants and nutrients to nourish on all layers. Add 3 to 5 drops in the palm of your hand, and then basically press it in throughout your face and your neck. And I'm curious for the scent. It doesn't really have actually a scent, so that's good for anyone that's possibly sensitive. It literally smells like an oil, but doesn't have, like, I don't know, there's not really much of a scent, just kind of smells like an oil would smell. My husband also got this little balm. It says from Hiva. I can't pronounce it, but it's right there. It's just a regular lip balm, and it says the lip balm is a multitasking powerhouse that leaves your lips truly hydrated and nourished and protected. And this has a $12 retail. Let's see if it's, yeah. Just smells like regular chapstick, so that's always great because you can never have too many lip balms, especially during winter. Now this item next, it's Helos Anti-Pollution Youth. It's from Earth Harbor. It's a $48 retail. So this particular anti-pollution youth serum, they call it the Fountain of Youth. It actually helps, it says it has a stem cell technology while restoring depleted antioxidants, normalizing skin's pH, smoothing fine lines and wrinkles, and enveloping you in the sensual ritual with her velvety consistency and citrus aroma. So it's going to help for fine lines, wrinkles, and bring back nutrients to your skin. And typically during winter, again, like many of us, we actually get really dry skin, especially my husband. And this is so pretty. I love these glass bottles. This definitely has kind of like a rosy kind of scent, in my opinion, like a rosy citrus. Ooh, it reminds me of that passion fruit lemonade from Starbucks. And then our last item, it's called it's from Good Medicine. It's muscle balm, in which my husband just started working out recently, so I told him this is perfect. We wish we would have had it a few days ago when he was very, very sore. It's a $24 retail value, and this actually it's a healing and deep penetrating warmth. So this is a healing kind of balm, which you rub it onto your muscle areas after your workouts, and it actually helps heal and relax your muscles, which is cool. Shit. Sorry guys, this is sealed, so I can't smell it. It is a $24 retail value if I happen to forget to mention that. But anyways, so those are all the items again that my husband got in his November the men's box. Now again, my husband's pretty excited to try these products out. He's never really had a subscription because I don't really consider Dollar Shave Club as, you know, a subscription because you kind of need it. So he's very excited to try it out now that he has his own box and he's seen that the content were great. He's actually excited. Like I mentioned, he already thanked me, saying thank you so very much for signing me up for the box. So he's very excited and looking forward to December. Just to let you guys know, I do have a affiliate link with Fashionsta. So if you guys would like to make any regular purchases, you guys could use my link down below and actually get 20% off your purchases. I do get a small commission if you guys do make purchases, but it really would help me out tremendously, because basically, you know, anything I could do extra to be able to help improve my content would be amazing. But yeah, so I hope you guys like the items. I forgot to mention, this subscription is $35 a month, by the way, including shipping. They had originally, when it started, they had an introductory price for like $25, but that time has passed at this point. I had posted it on my Instagram for those who actually look at my stories, and yeah, so at this point it has passed, but it's $35 a month. But honestly, look at all these amazing items. Most of the time, the men in our lives don't necessarily go out there looking for stuff for themselves, and I definitely feel that this is an amazing box that any man in our lives, whether it's our husbands, our boyfriends, our fathers, our sons, you know, our grown sons, or teenage sons too, I'm pretty sure they would love this box because it's items that they wouldn't necessarily go for at all times, or they would be looking for necessarily, and it becomes a treat. And just like we like to spend our money on ourselves and getting our subscription boxes, again, I think this is such a great box for men. But anyways, enough of me ranting at this point. Thank you guys so very much for watching my video. Before you guys leave, please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to make sure you guys are alerted every time I upload. I am trying very hard to do uploads Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays, and sometimes a few in between. I'm trying to be better at doing my uploads in a timely fashion. Hopefully I can get to 500 subscribers here soon, and it would be great. But thank you guys so very much. Oh, and before I forget, I still have an active giveaway on my YouTube and Instagram. So you can write your Instagram name, your Instagram handle on this video, and go to the giveaway post and tag 2 friends, and you will be automatically entered. It's an international giveaway, and it ends on Friday, and I'll announce the winner on Sunday. So make sure you guys enter. Thank you guys again. You guys have a wonderful Sunday. Goodbye.